Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to see Street View on Google Maps. First, of course, open Google Maps and then search the place you would like to go or to check the street. So I'll type in any bearing here, like for example, this is thing that I want. And then on the left part of the screen, you'll see a photo icon of it, of the place you have searched, with an arrow in a circle form. So tap on that. And then in here, you'll see the street view of this place. So you'll have an option to also navigate this one. So here you'll see arrows, like for example, I want to go further there, tap on the arrow. It will actually show you the specific name of the street. And that's how to see Street View on Google Maps. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.